What is up mga ka-tech shop? For today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here an Infinix Note 12 G96. The problem is a broken LCD display issue. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll show you how to replace LCD for this specific model. Let's go! Alright mga ka-tech shop, so this is an Infinix Note 12 G96 with broken LCD. Customer said that a tool dropped on his phone and display is not working properly. Touch is not working, and display it's a garbage display. You can see half of it has a display and the other half is just black. So I ordered a new LCD for this model, and let's go ahead and disassemble the phone. So let's apply heat at the back of the phone. This model is quite difficult to disassemble. I made a mistake. I broke the fingerprint for this model while removing the back cover. I accidentally cut the fingerprint flex cable. I did not notice it. Now I asked the customer if he's using fingerprint feature of his phone, and he said he's no longer using it. So we both agreed that we both agreed that we'll just leave it that way. We will not replace a new fingerprint flex cable for this phone. I got lucky in that one. Same as my Vivo 21T, I no longer use the fingerprint functionality because it suddenly stopped working. I'm not sure why. Now let's remove the cover for the camera. This one's quite difficult to remove as well. Just be careful. Then let's remove the old glue, and then after that we'll remove all the screws that hold the back cover. And then the SIM card tray. Now we can try the back cover. Using prying tools. All the tools that I've been using, I'll be putting it in the description, so you might wanna check it. Also, don't forget to sign up on Involve HOA. As you can see, the back cover is removed, and the fingerprint cable is cut off there. So I did not notice it's cut off. But anyway, customer confirmed that he's no longer using fingerprint, so we will not replace the fingerprint flex cable. And then I ordered a new LCD for this model. As you can see, it's a new LCD. So let's test it first before assembling the phone. That's just working. We can proceed with disassembling the phone and remove the old LCD. So let's remove the battery. Alright, the battery is out. And then clean up or remove the old glue that holds the battery. We'll replace it with a new glue. Now let's apply heat on the old LCD. Now LCD is out. And then before we attach the new LCD, we'll need to clean up the edges of the frame. And the purpose for that one is that once we apply new glue, it's gonna hold the glue properly. Because if it's dirty, it's not gonna hold. Just using a tweezer to clean up the old glue, and in some cases you'll need to use Q-tips and alcohol to remove the dirt on the edges of the frame. So for this one, it's the frame is quite dirty, so I'm just using Q-tips and alcohol. Now we're ready to apply glue. So after applying the temper glass, I had to test it. Everything's working. The volume buttons are working, power and touch. So everything's good. And if you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description. Let's go!